I'm back again today with another Reddit critique videos. You guys seem to love this. It's where we go ahead and critique your designs that are the most upvoted up on the subreddit. I don't know how many posts we've had, but we've got a lot of people joining, so go ahead and join. It's completely free. This video is brought to you by Squarespace. Okay, so let's go to the top of this week. I love seeing, by the way, the fact that the upvotes are getting higher and higher. Okay, so the first one was 74 upvotes is Chelsea's Lion Reimagined. So the football thing. So this is the Chelsea Football Club, CFC. This is the original one. For any of you Americans, you may call it soccer, but it's in fact called football. So yeah, this one's cool. It looks nice. It's very abstract, very minimalist. I like it. It just goes to show that it does not have to be simple all the time in nature. The biggest problem that a lot of logo designers have, probably because it's my fault, is that they think they have to be super simple all the time, when that is not the case. You can do stuff like this and it works really well because it's iconic. I don't see any problems with this. Oh, this must be the standard one right now. I mean, they both look really good. I like the fact that you've actually created the line in the actual circle border around it, which makes a lot more sense. Well done. It might look a bit too modern though, but it does look good. From this distance, it's kind of hard to see. Now I can understand why they have just a line in there, because obviously the line is quite detailed. So you put the detail in the center of the soft border, which is the circle around it. Yeah, I like this one. You're going to get an award. Let's approve this. I don't know what that does when I press approve, but let's give you 500 coins. Well done. On to the next one. Wacom logo redesign. Okay, let's have a look. First impressions. I really like it. I mean, there are parts, the concept is good, is what I'm saying. I think the main thing is that it's not clean enough. Sometimes when it comes to like squiggle logos like this, I just want to see them a bit more clear, so they're a bit cleaner than that, because as you see, if we just go into this, you can see some of these lines here aren't perfect, but that might just be me. That's the old logo and this is the new one. Yeah, your logo does look better, but the only problem is it could look like the Veo logo. See this? It could kind of look like the Sony Veo. You got to be careful of that. But no, really good work there. I'm gonna have to give you an award as well, because this is pretty good. Bravo. Okay, next one, 48 upvotes. Concept logo for clothing brand name GenGShop. Kind of reminds me of GenZShop, a place where all the Zoomers go, the Gen Zs. I sound like I'm really old. I suppose I am. I'm like 27. Makes me feel old. I don't read it as Gen G. I read it as Gen and a person, I'll be honest. So there might be a bit of a problem there, but I like the simplistic nature of it. I really like that G, even though that G kind of reminds me of something else, which can't put my finger on it. But well done. That looks good too. That looks nice. I like the sort of salmon color that you've got in there too. It's very nice. This one reminds me of World of Warcraft. Wallet Wizard. Logo for Wallet Wizard, a cryptocurrency wallet. Why is everyone designing stuff for cryptocurrency at the moment? I don't understand. A cryptocurrency wallet built with the Polygon framework. Okay, looks good. Is that the only image you've given? All right. I like the ones where it's like a carousel of images. That's nice. Okay, so I like it. You've got like the geometric shapes in there. So you've got like the polygons in there. Looks nice. You've got depth in there too. I really like it. There's nothing I would really change about this either. I just think the work that's coming out is actually really nice this week, and I haven't got much to say, so well done. You, sir, are going to get an award as well. Let's give you a 50 Take My Energy award. Take it. Before I go into the next one, I just want to thank the sponsor, the people that make this video happen, Squarespace. Now, I'm a designer. That means I design logos. I can do basically anything visually nicely, but I cannot code or make a website or develop an app or develop anything. Well, if you're similar to me, where you can design really nice visuals, but you can't code, then Squarespace is the place for you to have your website. I've been using Squarespace for years now, and with thousands of pre-designed but fully customizable templates that are professionally done, you really can't go wrong with Squarespace. It allows you to simply take a template of something that you like, rejig it, change a few things around in there, make it truly your own, and you've got your own personal website. And it makes everything super simple, from actually getting the website done, uploading content, making a shop, putting your portfolio in there, from the contacts form, from your domain name, from putting your logos in. Everything is super simple on Squarespace. Now, if you click the link down below, you get 10% off Squarespace for your first purchase, which is amazing. And a little pro tip, you can design your website for completely free. So click the link, design it for completely free, and then once it's ready and you're ready to get it live, that's when you pay. So it's kind of like a risk-free thing if you just want to design a website just to see what it will do. Thank you for sponsoring Squarespace, and back to the video. Okay, we've got a Solar Drop logo here. If you don't know, Solar Drop is one of the challenges that we did on the channel, and I'm liking the fact that everyone's bringing in their own. Hello, I recently saw your video for the space company. I wanted to give it a try. I would love to hear your opinion on my work. PS, or Photoshop. On the last mock-up, there is a little Easter egg. Brilliant. Let's have a look. I actually like that icon. The icon's nice. It's got a nice element of depth in there, but it's not like too detailed. Typography wise, you've chosen a solid choice there. It's a solid choice. It's kind of a condensed sans serif. I really like it. The icon was made using the letters S and D. The colors were chosen to represent a British company and the colors of the planet. Is it? Yeah, I mean, British, yeah. Blue and red makes sense for Mars as well. The shape of the icon is circular, similar to the spherical shape of a planet, yes. Also, it was rotated slightly to show movement. Very clever. When you rotate stuff, even if it's like type, so if you have type just like here, it looks okay, especially when it's brush script. And then as soon as you change the angle to where it's like this, and then it's rising up, it looks like it's moving. It gives an element of excitement to it. And that's why you see a lot of the old logo designs that we see in the 1920s and 30s with brush script, basically. They would go up just to make it a bit more exciting. The blue part represents Earth. The smaller inner circle shows the trajectory of the package journey through Mars. Very clever. The red part represents Mars, where the package will be delivered to the planet's inhabitants. This is really well thought out, and I love the way that you've shown this. Ooh, this is what I'm talking about. Now that, you see that mock-up? That is what I wanted to see out of all the packages that we did. Out of all the packages from anyone, I wanted to see what the box would look like. That is the most important aspect of Solar Drop. I don't think Naomi's even seen this, which I'll have to show her after. But you've got the logo in there. You can definitely tell. Even having the brand in there twice, so you've got the logo here with the logo type, works really well in this portrait view of the package, especially with the logo in the back here. Very distinct colors as well for that. Very, very nice. I really love this mock-up. Well done. You're definitely getting an award. It looks futuristic as well, which is what I like. It's an abstract icon with a story behind it, and then you've got this. No way, that's insane. Dude, you've done so good on this. Okay, what kind of award can I give you? What's the highest reward? I don't think I can give you all of that. Let me try. Okay, I'm gonna have to buy this. I gave you the platinum reward because this is an unreal piece of work. Well done, dude. Unreal. Okay, the next one, DJ logo. DJ. In those keyboards at school, you used to do was like press the DJ button. So what do you think? Okay, so Ben Guest. I like that. It looks cool. It looks like it's floating up and down with these different letters coming in. Really nicely composed. It's very grid-like. I like it. Not much else I can say about this. Let's see what other people are saying. Nice design, too complex for a logo. Well, no, not for a DJ logo. This is where it gets this is where it becomes difficult for people. So when it's like I'm working with a client right now, which they are a YouTuber, but they're kind of also a production company. So you can be a bit more artsy with that. You can go into a bit more detail because of the way they're going to be presenting it. Now, his logo is going to be presented in a very artistic form. You're not going to be needing to put Ben Guest on like tiny little phones or whatever. You need it on album artwork. It needs to look interesting. It needs to stand out. This is where you can bend the rules. And knowing the rules allows you to bend them slightly in this way. So I don't agree with it being too complex at all. I think it's the perfect amount. I think he could even go a bit more detailed and complex, to be fair. Love it. Don't know if it would help with the readability or not, but you could try opening the kerning a bit. Yeah, I mean, you could do that. I think the biggest parts are, like, when you look into this, the T, because of the spacing in the T and the way that it's just like a big rectangle, basically, when you squint your eyes, there's a lot of space here and here with Ben Guest. The only thing I would do is keep the G full-sized, make the T not full-size, and just go crazy on the T a little bit. I really love the background as well. It looks really nice, works really well. And that is it for today's video, but do not fear. There are more videos that you can watch out for. I think this is the 20th the 20th Reddit video. That means there are 19 other videos for you to check out if you really want to. There's so many of them on the channel, as well as me teaching you graphic design fundamentals. If you did enjoy it and you would like to see more, be sure to hit the red subscribe button. It's free and it helps me, and it will surely help you by reminding you whenever a video goes live. If you've got a video title or subject that you want me to talk about, then put it down in the comments below. I do check them, although I can't respond to every single comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.